Hello guys, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಉన్నారు ಎಪ್ಪಿ ಇರ್ಕೀங்க guys आप लोग this is Rohit and welcome back to my channel. So today's ride is from
like a Hellcat.
So guys, right now I have reached Ramnagar here. It almost took 20 minutes from Kengeri to Ramnagar. I should stop somewhere for eating my lunch. I don't know where to stop. Usually I will have near this Kadamba Hotel. Especially if you go to Kadamba Hotel, one of my friends Santosh suggested that Kara Pongal is so good. So today I'm going to go in and try it there. I don't know exactly, that place would be more 18 kilometers or somewhere like that. So guys, this is a hotel I told you which is very awesome to eat. That Kara Pongal Hotel Kadamba. It's so good to have here. Kara Pongal idea. So guys, I told you right here the Kara Pongal is so good here. Actually to have this only I didn't have my lunch actually. I thought I'll come here only and have. Last time when I came to this hotel, I thought I'll take a parcel to my home. So what did I do? I took a parcel and the owner of the hotel told that if you go back and if the Kara Pongal is good, when next time if you come this side you pay the money. So right now I went and I was speaking with him that it was good when I took it back to my home. So guys, I finished having the Kara Pongal and I was speaking with that owner for some time. I'm leaving this place Kadamba. So this place exactly comes near after Chanpatna. You have to come more on 9 kilometers I guess. Yeah, 9 kilometers if you come you'll get this hotel. So guys, finally I reached Mysore at 5:40. So I am right now into Mysore city. It almost, actually today it took more time. Actually it almost took 3.5 hours to reach from Kengeri. There is some road construction going on. From here it is 128 kilometers. Kotagiri is almost 128 kilometers from there. So I'm thinking to take this 36 hairpin bed road. So let's see. Actually my plan was not to go to, I only revealed the plan. So actually my plan was not was going somewhere and finally here from here only I decided that let me go to Kotagiri because I have not been yet there. So I thought we can't go there. God, I got shocked literally when the cops called. Why are they pulling me? Why are they pulling me? I thought. Thank God, everything is proper in my bike except one 500 rupees fine for no parking. I don't know whether it will work all over the Karnataka, that Blackberry, where they will check the fine list. I was shocked. Finally they let me go. Right now it is 6:20. I'm near this Nanjangud. So from here it is almost 100, 1 or 200. So guys, I finally reached the Bandipur gate. 100 meters. So Bandipur gate. ಸರ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದಾ? ಈ ಪಾಸ್ ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕಾ ಊಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕೆ? ಅಲ್ಲೋಗಿ ಏನು ಅಲ್ಲೋಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ವಾ?
ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ವಾಪಸ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಕ್ಯಾಂಟೀನ್
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ?
ಕ್ಯಾಂಟೀನಲ್ಲಿ
ಹಾಂ
ಬೈಕ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಸರಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ ಅಂಗಡಿನಾ?
ಈ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾಂಟೀನ್
ಓಕೆ.
ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ನೋಡಿ.
ಹಾಂ ಓಕೆ. So guys, they are telling that they will only allow if the e-pass is there, or else they won't allow. So what can I do? Coming here, and if you don't do and give e-pass, it's bekar. So I have to do the e-pass. Finally, I entered Bandipur National Park. So they told that they'll be allowing only if the pass is there. So I bought the pass. The person near the check post told that if you go near that shop, you will be getting the pass details and everything. So I went near the shop. I thought, wait, already I went to Tamil Nadu once, so why can't even I only apply the pass individually? So I applied the pass. I got the pass. So I am right now into Bandipur National Park. It's pitch dark here. Only lorries and cars are going. I think so. Two-wheeler only me. People can see or no, I don't know. The left side you can see there is a deer. It is like some adventure movie. Not even a single biker I can't see here. Pitch dark. The one more scary thing is that in the CVR there are almost 32 sensors, electronic sensors. Imagine if one sensor is out, my situation. Oh dude, I can't even imagine the situation. I'm entering into Tamil Nadu border. Tamil Nadu border. Oh. Okay. This is. Thank you. Visit again. Okay. Fine. So this is Tamil Nadu. Okay, fine. Might be here only they will ask. E-pass. இருக்குங்க இருக்குங்க, காமிக்கிறேன் இருங்க.
எங்கே போகிறீங்க?
கோத்தகிரி.
கோத்தகிரி இல்லை, கோத்தகிரி.
ஓகே, கோத்தகிரி.
கோத்தகிரி ஒரு போயிட்டாங்க.
சரி, 36 ஹேர் பின் பெண்ட் சேஃபுங்களா? ஒன்றும் ப்ராப்ளம் இல்லை இல்லைங்களா? ஓகே. Almost 17 kilometers and 28 hairpin bends. It is advisable that you don't come in night time during this time to this road, because you people only can see that there is only 4-wheelers coming. There is no 2-wheelers actually, only 4-wheelers coming. If people can see, I don't know if you people can see there. 23rd hairpin bend road. I mean, so that is the powder of elephant there. Here also, the right side. Hopefully I reach the town soon. So guys, finally I reached Kotagiri right now. Around 10:30 I came into the room and I was checking formalities. So here I know a person in Kotagiri. So that person actually is a very good person. So I'll be giving his number in the description. So whenever you come to Kotagiri or Ooty, you can contact him. He's a very nice person. He will find you a nice, good, decent room in a very valuable amount, very in a budget room. He will arrange it and he will give you. So this is the room, guys. I forgot to show the room tour. So this is the bed. So that's the sofa and that's the TV. So right now I can't show the TV because it will be a copyright strike. So this is the washroom. Actually it's very big, and the main thing in the room in sense, the very speciality in the room in sense, there is a balcony view. So if you come to the balcony view, you can see here, you can see the Ooty railway station, but right now it is very dark, night time, right? It is very dark, so you can't see anything. So that's the everything, and my bike is parked in a safe place. So the main thing is that my bike should be safe. So there's a security camera and even there is a security there. So this is the view here. This is a view you can see. Morning I'll show you the drone shots. Okay guys, right now I am fully exhausted. First I should go and have something, or else I will be exhausted. I'll be, that's it. I didn't have anything. I had lastly in that Kadamba hotel. After that I did not have anything. I just bought 2 egg dosas and I should have right now. See you in the morning guys. Good night, and as usual, eat right, sleep and repeat it again, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Bye guys, good night.